Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to convert mp4 to mp3 by using VLC Media Player. And if you don't have VLC Media Player, you can check out my description below to get the VLC Media Player software, and you just install it to get started to convert your video to mp3. Okay, so now let's get started convert together. So now we go to VLC Media Player. After you go to VLC Media Player, here we go. So you go to click on Media and then look at the menu. You will see Convert or Save, or you can also press Ctrl with letter R. Okay, and then click on it. This dialog box appear. So when this dialog box appear, you're gonna click on Add button at the right side. So then you click on Add buttons, and then you're gonna browse to find your video that you want to convert it as an mp3. So now I decide to take this mp4 to convert it to mp3. Okay, so this is just a source, and then I select on the mp4 that I want, and then I click on Open. After that I click on Convert and Save at the bottom, and then look at the profile here. So now you just click on the drop down of the profile here and then find the word audio mp3. So now you select on audio mp3, and then file destination is you're gonna browse to find where that you want to keep your file converting. Okay, so now you're gonna name your file name, like I name it my new mp3. Okay, my new mp3 on the desktop, and then I click on Sales. So then you click on Sales, and then you just click on Start. So after you click on Start, you're just waiting for streaming VLC Media Player. It's going forward to convert your mp4 to mp3. It depends on your video that you want to convert it. For me, just only 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Okay, here we go. You can also see my new mp3 that I have done converted on my desktop. So now I can close my VLC Media Player. Okay, so now close VLC Media Player. Here we go. So now I get my new mp3 that have an extension of mp3. So now you can see. Okay, so I hope you enjoy with this video, guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your watching. Goodbye.